Hi friends, today I want to talk about how to improve our portfolio with well-structured photo collage. This will be very helpful for our social media profiles or even our website. Stay with me and I'll show you. Okay, let's create a new file. And 2000 by 2000 is good, great. And when we make a photo collage, we have two important things. All of our images to be same type, all landscapes or all products and so on. And the second one is to have a well structured layout. Let's start with the layout. Go to view, guides, new guide layout. Okay, let's choose 3 columns by 3 rows with a gap, let's say 16. And margin, I prefer to be a little bit more, maybe 80. This numbers depends on the resolution of the image, of course. Click OK, and we have our layout. Now go to rectangle tool and let's draw the spots where we have to put our images. Let's say the first spot will be this, with stroke 0 and fill with black color. Let's draw the second spot here, square one. The next 3 will be squares. And in the third column, I will make same as the first one, but I'll flip it vertically. Here will be the square and here a rectangle. Okay. Now we have our spots, 7 spots. Now let's add our images. I prepare 7 images. Let's drop it here and place all of them. Good. Now let's order our layers and let's drag the first image above the rectangle 1, the second image above the rectangle 2, and so on. I'll do it faster. 5, 6, and 7. Okay, they are ordered perfect. Now let's click on the first image, right click on the layer and click create clipping mask. Now with Ctrl Command T, let's position the image on the first black spot. Okay, same with the second one, right click, create clipping mask, Ctrl Command T, and let's place it on the second spot. Okay, same with the third one. Good, the fourth one. Clipping mask, Ctrl Command T, place it. Okay, the fifth one. Create clipping mask, Ctrl Command T. Good. This has to be here. And the last one. Right click, create clipping mask, Ctrl Command T, and place on the last black spot. Maybe somewhere here. Okay. I think this image has to be a little bit centered. This is maybe the fourth one, yes. Maybe something like this. Okay, good. And our layout is ready. Now we can make some effects on the layers. We can add maybe stroke or shadow behind the images. To do that, let's select all of the layers without the background. Click on this button to group them, and now go to Effects, If you wanna drop shadow or just a stroke, let's say a stroke, and you can add strokes to all of them at once. Choose a color. Okay, I prefer without stroke. Also, we can change the background. Just click on the background layer and create a new solid color adjustment layer. And here you can choose any background color. Black, white, gray, depends on our images. In our case, the white background without effects is great. I like flat designs and I think it's perfect. Of course, you can add a black and white effect on only one image if you want. Just click on the image and create effect only for that layer. Let's see again with strokes or without strokes. I think this is perfect. This is the easiest and the proper method to make a well-structured collage in Photoshop. Of course, you can save it as PSD and use it as a template in the future. I hope you like it, subscribe with the bell for more videos, and see you soon.